Let me decode for you what News 18's mega exit polls are predicting for the state of Andhra Pradesh, which went to polls for both parliamentary as well as assembly elections. The survey, remember, has been done only for the Lok Sabha elections. So please bear that in mind. And going by the numbers, the NDA alliance led by TDP, BJP, Janasena is poised to win anywhere between 19 to 22 seats, whereas the ruling YSRCP led by incumbent Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy is down to 5 to 8 seats. Certainly a big setback as per the numbers predicted on News 18's mega exit polls. Last time around it was a landslide win, remember, for Jagan Mohan Reddy. He had swept 151 of the total 175 assembly seats, and in the Lok Sabha he had won 22 of the 25 Lok Sabha seats. So it was a big win in both state as well as general elections. The TDP in the 2019 elections had won just 3 seats, whereas national parties like the BJP and the Congress drew a blank. But this time around, 2024 Lok Sabha elections, as per the numbers projected on the News 18 mega exit poll, tell a different story, with the NDA poised to make a shining comeback with a big margin. Now what is also interesting is, if you analyze the BJP's individual performance as per the numbers on the exit polls, BJP is certainly expected to do well. In fact, it has fielded 6 MP candidates, remember, including State Chief D. Purandeshwari. She is the daughter of former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, TDP founder N.T. Ramarao Garu, and certainly is a heavyweight, one candidate that the BJP is short confident of winning. The other prominent candidates in the fray from the BJP side, from the alliance's side, include last Chief Minister of United Andhra Pradesh, Kiran Kumar Reddy, who is contesting from Rajampet, and also CM Ramesh, who is running from Anakapalli, an influential candidate. Again, the BJP is very confident of their victory. Now, if I also want to pull up and talk about the numbers in 2014, remember, in comparison to in 2014, the TDP had won 15 seats, whereas the YSRCP had won 8 and the BJP had won the remaining 2. After that turn of fate in 2019, it was a landslide victory for Jagan Mohan Reddy, but this time around the alliance seems to be taking a clear edge over the ruling YSRCP. But what is also interesting is to mention the Congress. Now the Congress went to polls with Jagan's sister YS Sharmila as its chief, and in fact the Congress, as per the News 18 exit poll survey, is not making any impact in the state of Andhra Pradesh. They are drawing 0 seats. So the India Alliance definitely, as per the survey, not making any inroads in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And Sharmila herself, remember, is contesting from Kadapa. This is her first election. She is up against YSRCP and incumbent MP Avinash Reddy, who is the cousin of Jagan Mohan Reddy and YS Sharmila as well. So particularly in Andhra Pradesh, what is interesting is that this time around the whole narrative was divided between welfare. Jagan is fighting these elections on the bank of his welfare schemes, versus the TDP, which is promising welfare schemes as well as jobs. And there are other issues that also played significant factor. For instance, the capital issue, inflation, multiple things that we found and came across in multiple ground reports that we got you from the state of Andhra Pradesh. But the big question here is certainly, if NDA, the TDP-led alliance, is poised to win major chunk of the seats in the Lok Sabha elections, then what about the assembly elections? Though News 18's mega exit poll survey has not featured the assembly elections, but will there be a spillover effect, considering last time around in 2019, Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSRCP had won huge seats, not just in assembly but as well as Lok Sabha. In 2014 also, TDP had won that elections and also won major chunks of seats in Lok Sabha. So this time around, will the NDA alliance become the king in the state of Andhra Pradesh? Time will tell. June 4th is when the results will be out. But Jagan, remember, is very confident of coming to power. The TDP alliance led by Chandrababu Naidu is also very confident of winning Andhra Pradesh. So that's going to be an interesting state to watch out for. Results on the 4th of June. Stay tuned with CNN News 18.